Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how I wash and restore this kinky coily human hair wave. So this is how the hair is looking at the moment. A lot of tangles and deads. I got this hair about 1 year or 2 years ago. I really cannot remember because I totally forgot that I had something like this in my house. I only came across this hair when I was going through my things. This hair is 100% human hair. It's so cute and so beautiful. So yeah, that is why I want to restore it and bring it back to how it was before. I'm going to be using this shampoo and a conditioner and of course a hair brush to detangle the hair. And I'm going to go ahead and set my water temperature to warm. I'm not going to be using hot or cold water. I'm going to be using warm water to wash the hair. First, I'm going to wet the hair with some water before I apply my shampoo. After washing the hair, I'm going to restore the shampoo. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply my conditioner. So now it's nice and clean. I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same step until I finish washing all the hair. So guys, this is all for this video and this is how the hair is looking. It's still very wet at the moment. I'm going to leave it to dry. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, like, share and comment. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.